to convert creativity into innovation. Some inputs are required in the transforming process, such as the resources required based, such as financial resources, the manpower, and the materials, the expertise and know-how needed. The process is facilitating the innovation, and the environmental setting. For any new venture, understanding of the value network is crucial. The suppliers and customers refer to the parties along the supply chain, from upstream to the downstream. Suppliers provide the materials, services for the core processes with the new venture, while customers are the parties in the downstream whom receive the outputs from the venture. Competitors can be direct or indirect in the market, while complementers are parties providing product, services that makes the venture more attractive to the customers.
Do you know Apple's revenue from Internet services, Apple Care, Apple Pay, licensing and other services sources came to $3.69 billion in 2013, but grows to $5.99 billion in 2016. And the complementary products can be those iPhone apps being installed by iPhone users. According to Apple, which is about 2 billion apps downloaded from the App Store.
To justify the attractiveness of an invention, there are three main criteria. Importance. How it reflects the magnitude of the economic value. Radicalness. This measures the degree to which an invention, regardless of economic value, differs from previous inventions in the field. Patent scope. This describes the breadth of intellectual property protection. Have you gone through this? The innovation process starts from problem identification. It starts to identify the problem and describe it. It is then followed by the incubation period, which is mainly to observe the study the product for more background information. With the well-understood background, intuitive thinking or brainstorming is introduced to generate ideas. Through inventive thinking processes, ideas are turned into more specific insights towards the predefined problem. After justifying the ideas with evaluations and testing, preliminary prototype of the solutions are built. If the solution is found still not yet a final one, it will be reframed and the whole cycle starts again. Having discussed how creative ideas can be converted to innovations, it is about time to talk how a favorable technology innovation can be achieved and thus turned into entrepreneurship. The technology innovations are firstly justified based on its feasibility, to be launched. Performance, as expected. Then target market is identified, with clear vision and value proposition are defined. Business strategy is then drawn with a reference to the industry and competitive analysis. The business model is then settled towards the goals. That is the economic results such revenue, profitability, return on capital, etc. Now, let's recapture what we've discussed in this module. Innovation builds on creativity. Through a series of innovation process, creativity is turned into innovations. An innovation strategy builds on creativity, innovation and technologies acting within a value network to effectively commercialize the new innovative products or services for its targeted group of customers. Business model canvas depicts the whole business model in a framework. In this model, concerned components are incorporated. From key activities, value propositions, customer segments, key resources, key partners, through customer relationships and channels, to the cost structure and revenue streams of the business. Now, I will give examples to you on each sector. Key partner. Friends. Key activities. Outsourcing, promotion. Key resources. Raw materials, human resources, equipment. Value proposition. Benefits provided to customers. For example, iPhone have their own iOS system. Customer relationship. Loyal schemes such as discounts to retain loyal customer, and free trial of product to attract new customers. Channels. Email, video, face-to-face. Customer segments. Christine Louboutin's high heel shoes are high-end products targeting young and rich female. Cost structure. Cost breakdowns. Revenue streams. How customers pay money such as cash, credit card,